All right, it is Saturday the 14th of March 2026. It's about 11:20 a.m. We have a oh, this is cool. He's going to diverge over and do the split. Norfolk Southern. Over here on Angola Road. Splitting off the main line. Line he's going on, or just diverged off of, goes over to, turns up and goes north into Michigan. That's a little treat. So we zoom in without shaking, see where he split off. Anyway, me and Mrs. Bigfoot, we're heading over to see the grandbaby, our daughter, this morning. And we're crossing over there on Holland-Silvania Road. I said, hey, let's look and see if there's a train coming. I want to watch it if it's coming. And she conveniently, and I tell you conveniently, saw this and didn't want to tell me. And I saw it. I'm like, all right, turn, go over on Angola Road. So, got this one. So, not too long of a train, but a treat nonetheless to watch it diverge off the main line here. All right, there you go. Quick little train video. Way up there, it'll turn north. All right, appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, click on notifications, share these videos. I am one shy of 900 subscribers, so by the time this loads up, maybe I'll have my 900th subscriber. All right, happy Saturday. God bless. Have a great day. All right, shortly after I filmed this video, I actually hit 900 subscribers. So thank you for all that have started following me. And thank you to all that will join here on after. And just keep following, like and subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and watch to the end on these. Each view helps my channel grow. Before I know it, it'll be at 1,000. All right, God bless you. Have a great day.